It had been 5 years since I'd been kicked out of the force. My wife Stacy had left me, so I looked for the solution to my problems at the bottom of a bottle. I solve an odd case here and there, but nothing truly gripping. I spend my days yearning for the case that will break my resolve.
What the fuck was that? Detective Murphy.
Hi there, Jeff.
Who is this?
Oh, just someone interested in hiring you for a job. Come meet me at Smitty's on Chapman Street, let's say 8 p.m.
Sure. Can you tell me more about the case?
Smitty's detective. It will be worth your while.
Walking the streets of Flel, all I could think about was that phone call. Who was that woman? And could the case she was offering me be related to that god-awful sound? As I approached Smitty's on Chapman Street, I couldn't shake a feeling of unease.
Bartender, one whiskey.
Coming right up.
Hi there, Jeff.
Hey there, stranger.
You can call me Leslie. I'm glad you decided to meet with me.
I've had 3 glasses of top shelf while waiting for you. Speaking of which, bartender, a glass of your finest for the lady.
Why, thank you. I assumed you heard the noise earlier this morning.
You mean the high-pitched squeal that would wake the devil?
Yes, that one. Know what caused it? You see, I used to work for Strodercorp.
The electrical service company.
Hmm.
Didn't exactly pitch you as queen of the chess club.
Yeah. No, I was just a typist, But that means that all of their sketchy paperwork was put on my desk.
Sketchy? Embezzlement? Fraud?
Oh yes, some of that.
But Jeff, I'm here to talk with you about something way more serious than this.
Something catastrophic.
Oh?
Stroder has had a secret project going on for a while now. No government regulation, no licenses. It involves a very, very powerful reactor to compete with the oil industry.
Let me guess. Some eggheads pushed the wrong button and broke something.
Yes, and the error resulted the reactor to cause this noise.
If it happens again, we'll be looking at more than a couple of damaged eardrums.
People could die, Jeff.
So why come to me and not the police?
Oh, Jeff. I didn't take you for someone so slow. Stroder owns the police here in Flower.
Oh yes, thank you.
Right. Let's talk dollar signs.
20 grand.
20,000.
Mm-hmm.
You got yourself a detective.
Good. I'll be in touch.
My mind was racing. 20 grand? That will be enough to retire for the rest of my days. The look on Stacy's face will be priceless. Leaving me was the biggest mistake of her life. But what about this reactor from Strodercorp? Something as dangerous as that Leslie dame said surely couldn't fly that far under the radar. The following week I kept busy. There was not as much information on Strodercorp as I'd hoped.
Hi, I'm calling from the Flell Express. Hi, I'm calling about some insurance that I ordered. I'm wondering if you could tell me something about your recent projects.
Even my buddies from the police couldn't help me.
Hey, Johnny, it's me. Oh, how you going, man? So, I was wondering about that thing I was talking to you about yesterday. What do you mean, no information?
After being stonewalled by every name in the phone book, it was time I talked to the man himself.
Hello, this is Detective Murphy. I'd like to request a meeting with Steven Stroder.
Come in. Welcome, Mr. Murphy. I was wondering when we finally meet. Care for a drink? I heard you like whiskey.
Save the charity for the cameras, Mr. Stroder. I don't care for it.
Fair enough. So, what brings a washed-up old dick like yourself to my place of business?
I'm interested in one of your projects.
Which project, Detective? Strodercorp employs more than 15,000 people here in Florida. As the CEO, I couldn't possibly keep track of them all.
Then let me be specific. Did any of your projects recently create a high-pitched sound that caused half the citizens of this town to go deaf?
That's a serious accusation, Detective. I hope you have evidence to back it up.
I have a reputable source, but I do find it interesting that somehow no one around seems to know anything about your business.
Good luck with that. I think this meeting is over.
We'll be in touch, Mr. Stroder.
Be careful with the hornet's nest you poke, Detective. Hello? It's ready then. Alright, I'll be right there.
Oh good, I've been meaning to learn French.
It is beautiful, isn't it? This could power the entire country. And Make me millions.
It'll be hard to make millions when you're in prison.
Hi, Stephen. It's been a while, haven't it?
Leslie, what the fuck are you doing here?
It's just that me and Stephen here, we have some unfinished business, don't we? Here you go. You've been such a great detective.
Are you gonna shoot me now? Come on, Leslie, let's work this out.
You should have thought about that before firing me.
Wait, you're shooting a man because he fired you from your job as a typist?
That's what she told you? That's rich. She designed this piece of art.
Yeah, this is art and it's mine. I'm gonna take it back now.
You're joking. I would check that envelope before you leave, detective. She screwed me over, she's probably screwing you over too.
Shut up, you shut up right now.
Because she's a liar.
Shut up!
And a smart one. What did she offer you to look into me? I guarantee you she doesn't have it. I know, because I signed her paychecks.
You betrayed me. You told me that it was gonna be you and me taking the world by storm.
I'm a businessman. I say whatever closes the deal. But if it's any consolation, you did held up your end of the bargain. Looks like it's just you and me now, detective.
Call it a guess, Schroeder, but I think I'm a better shot than you.
Really? Careful. One misfire and you'll hit the controls. Then we'll both die.
Oh, I'm a decent enough shot.
Jeff, I could smell the whiskey on your breath from 2 towns away. You're a loser who's so obsessed with the failure of his career that his wife left him crying in the dark corner of his office.
Yeah, guess what? My life's a burning shit pile. That's what the whiskey's for, dickhead.
Maybe if you weren't such a screw-up, you would have saved Leslie.
Ah! Leslie! Oh.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry about all the trouble.
I'm sorry too. You don't deserve this.
Jeff, did any of your shots, please tell me they didn't hit the reactor.
Maybe?
Then we are screwed.
Fuck!
Give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.